This is a brand new VIOFO A129 formatted SanDisk 256 gigabyte SD card. It was formatted in the computer to the specs that VIOFO said, the fith. Hold on. There we go. Got it connected. We're gonna power it on. Okay. So we're powering on. Connecting the unit to a power source. The unit is powering on. We left the Wi-Fi on. It's not recording when the light's blinking. When it's stationary like that and not blinking, now it's recording. So we're going to turn off the Wi-Fi. No more Wi-Fi, okay. Just from turning off the Wi-Fi, it's asking me to format. Okay, so I'm going to format. And now you can see that it's recording. This is stationary. It's not blinking up there. The red light's blinking, showing it's recording. We have GPS, everything. So we're going to turn off the unit. Okay. Allow it to power off. Now we're going to turn it back on. We're turning on the unit. Turns on. Now it's asking again to format. I've already formatted this in the computer to what I found online. They say fith format, and it's still asking to reformat every time I power up the device. So let me hit format again. Okay, and it's not even recording until you hit format. Now it's recording. Okay, let's turn on the Wi-Fi. Press and hold. Wi-Fi is turning on. Controlled via the app. Now we can access the camera through the app. I'm going to turn off the Wi-Fi. Turn the Wi-Fi off. Okay. Now it's back to recording. Okay. Now I'm going to turn it off again. It's off. Powered off completely. Turn it back on again. It says please format SD card. And if you don't want to format it, you can just press cancel. And it won't record. It'll continue to blink. It will not record, and it'll say all data will be deleted. So if there was an accident, I had to park my car and for whatever reason I need to move it off the road, so I turn my car on again to move it off the road. It's going to ask me to delete all the footage that I just recorded. So you lose your purpose for recording dash cam footage when you're constantly having to format the SD card. It defeats the purpose. So I'm going to turn it off again. Right now it's recording. We have 20 seconds of footage. Okay. Parking the car. Turning it off. Okay. The car is parked. The purpose of this is to show you what you're getting with a brand new product. I understand some people have successfully been able to have theirs work with formatting. It is not my experience. And I've had multiple, I'd have to say over several dash cams, and I've never experienced an issue such as this where you have to format every time you power on the unit. The Ultra Dash is the camera that went out on me. It was my last camera. The only reason I'm replacing it with this one is because I needed the Wi-Fi access. So that's what put me back in the market for the dash cams. But this one's the most highly rated. I need it for the temperature control and to withstand high heat. The purpose of this is to withhold the information and withhold all the videos, not to be erasing and formatting the SD card consistently every time I'm powering on the unit. I understand this has the highest ratings, the highest views, the highest reviews, the most recommended, but if you're using SanDisk, which is the top of the line SD card, and it's not even able to operate properly. I believe it defeats the purpose, and you should be in the market for a better dash cam that will give you the GPS, Wi-Fi capabilities, and be able to withstand the heat without powering off. So these are my issues. I would not recommend the VIOFO for anyone. This has no purpose. It does not work. It has great sales, great reviews. If you get an SD card to work in it, that's awesome, but that's not to say it won't ask you to reformat it again. I've reformatted this multiple times into the computer, reinserted the SD card into the unit, and it has not operated once. I understand it could be a faulty device, but if this is something that's reoccurring in multiple purchases, I believe it's something that should be brought to light, and customers should be aware of going into their purchase that they could potentially not be able to save their vital information, which is the whole purpose behind this. This is just my ideas and my opinions. I could be 100% wrong, but this is my experience, and I'm just documenting so other people could save their money and not have to go down the same road I did with this purchase. I will be returning this camera. I'm going to be looking into, I'm not sure which camera I'm going to be looking into, but hopefully it'll have the GPS, the Wi-Fi, and be able to withstand the heat without powering off and overheating. Thank you so much. And I would not recommend this product. Do not buy this.